Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. Again, I come with an amazing, very thrilling platform, one and only my channel, Crypto Victoria, for my audience, for my viewers. So here is I'm talking about evolve the future of digital cryptocurrency. And here I will tell you how you can sign up, how you can register your account, how you can there earn reward through affiliate link, how you can join each and everything I tell you. You have to don't miss this and you have to stay tuned with the end of the video guys, and I have placed all of the official links, also my affiliate link in my video description. You can easily click and you can join right here now guys. So before starting their further amazing exciting review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing upcoming videos notification. As you know, Victoria always come with an amazing and very interesting platform in the world of cryptocurrency for my audience. So here is welcome to evolve the future of digital investment. Experience the next generation of decentralized finance with our comprehensive platform. Here I will tell you how you can join, how you can buy about our tokenomics, our affiliate links, and how you can register your account. Each and everything is available here in this video, guys. You have to full watch. And before starting there further another amazing review, I want to say something that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So let's talk about evolve. Let's go guys. Here is also our white paper is available. You have to download this for all of your questions and query. So guys, here you can use Visa, Mastercard, Pay. You can buy this evolve token by also using your bank card. So here is our total value 3,300,000,000 USDT, which you can see that, and our token acquired by users and our community members, that is 10k thousand. Here you can see that evolves logo beautiful on my screen, and this is the our sale that is in progress. You can see that, and ICO stage 1 in progress. Here you can see that. And what is the evolve? This is the intro about evolve. Is a group represent a paradigm shift in how individuals and business will engage with decentralized finance and financial ecosystem. And we have also designed to empower to users with very versatile investment in portal to create opportunities at their fingertips. And we have also evolved more than just a token. It is a gateway to diversified financial growth. Guys, here is this is our tokenization project where private lending pools, trading for opportunities, also a lot of global currency market and bonds is available. So here we have to also evolve. Group provides a robust solution for users for flexibility, security, growth potential in the world of cryptocurrency. So here you have to also read about our introduction to evolve. What is basically this is evolve, and in cryptocurrency how we define this. So you have to read this, and here is each and everything. Here you can trade also guys, and there why you have to choose evolve, because this is too much versatility, and unlike other tokens, this there are limited applications, and you can also check out why you have to choose this. And there is why you have, as I tell you, why you have to choose evolve, because there is a versatility, there is a security. Evolve have a growth potential inside, and it gets a huge 1,000x potential, totally transparent platform, and there is also a community centric program. How you have to work with us guys? You have to join our journey to revolutionize the way in the world of investment. Simply you have to put your name, like I put my name Victoria, and here is you have to put your email, and then you have to type your message and you have to send this. And guys, you have to also join our all of the social links, like this is our Telegram community, the future of digital investment, evolve tokens, that is decentralized innovation driving progress through blockchain revolution. Here you have to join our evolve community. This is our total member. Here you have to invite your family and friends. This is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, retweet, and here is our private lending also. Here you can also trade. You have to join the future of crypto innovations. Here you can also earn with our affiliate program. And this is the our latest announcement, news, updations of evolve token on our socials. Like you can see that we have to announce tonight. Here you can see that our AMA sessions and all of the our latest updation is available on our Twitter account, on our TG community. And guys, you have to also subscribe our YouTube channel where you can see that very famous tutorials about Evolve on our YouTube channel that is available here. So guys, here you can also check out our economics, and I also tell you about our roadmap and our also affiliate link. And guys, here is our white paper also. So here you can see that this is our roadmap, guys, of Evolve token. We have to do a vision for 2025. What we have to do, you can check out. This is our about tokenomics. So here is our total supply of the token, and here is allocation breakdown for public sale. We have reserved 50%. Team and advisor, we have to do 15% reserve fund. Marketing and partnerships, stacking rewards is here, and these are the all about our token distribution terminals, that ICO pre-sale that starts on discount rate. Then we have to start our public sale, and here is utility. Here you can see this is the basically foundation and expansion, that where we have finalized our global partnerships, and we have to also launch advanced tokenization features and visual representation platform security upgradations. And this is about our private lending pool enhancement. Here you can check out, we have to go on our private sale also, we have to do also our public sale, and there is a educational campaigns, visual representation, KYCs, AML announcements, rollout of decentralized lending pools. And you can also trade here on the ecosystem and development. We have to expand our market. So here is about complete our development. I always recommend you to, if you have to join any platform, you have to must check out their roadmap, because it gets all of the development, their past and future. Then you can join easily. So this is the all about our economics, all about our roadmap and our economics, what you can do here. Guys, here you can also join our affiliate link, and you can earn a lot of profit by joining this affiliate link too. So I have downloaded white paper of Evolve token, and you have to must download this. Here you can get all of information about our Evolve platform. This is the version of white paper, and here is all of table of content, like our introduction, our mission, vision, our key highlights, what we have to do in market landscape, Evolve ecosystem, about our core components, why you have to choose each and everything is available in our white paper. You have to must download this, and if you have any question and query, then you can read this and you can clear. If you join, then you have to must download this. So here is our affiliate program also, guys, where you can join, earn a lot of profits. You have to invite your friends, and here is welcome to Evolve token affiliate program, where you can grow with us while earning extra income. Why you have to join Evolve affiliate program? Because we have to design to reward our loyal supporters, promoters, by sharing your unique affiliate link. You can introduce others incredible opportunities offered by Evolve token, and you can get paid 10 USDT for every new members who join using your link. So you put this your link, and you have to invite your friend, and you can earn your profit here. How it's work? You have to simply sign up, guys, and you have to get your unique link, and you have to share this, then you can earn your rewards. Here are a lot of benefits for being an affiliate: unlimited earning potentials, fast payouts, help build and evolve communities, sports and resources. And how you can join, how you can earn, you have to join my affiliate link that I have also placed in my video description. You have to start right now here. How you can sign up, guys? You have to simply click up on sign up, then you have to put your email, your password, then you can sign up in Evolve. Here you, after putting all of these detail on email, name and password, then you get a fresh verified link on your email. Then you have to click this, and you have to verify that you have to join Evolve. And then, guys, you can see like this face interface on your screen. This is the dashboard. Then you have to do your settings, where you have to check pay out, that you have to check it out, that you have to give your details or your billing details, that you have to put your information, that admin can check out from where you have to pay out. And you have to choose your method or payment method or billing details. You have to click on this, and this take a literally minutes. So you have to just take your time, and you have to do this verification. Here you can see that my ID, my profile of Victoria, where I have create my account, I have joined Evolve. So you have to must join here. You have to also invite your family and friends here. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.